You've been given access to a document which has come from Google Drive. So I've sent you a link, and that link allows you to get access to that file. So you open the file up, and typically it's going to appear like this with this request edit access here. Please don't click that, because what it's going to do is send an email back to the provider of that document. And imagine you're in a workshop and 30 people all click on that. That poor person's going to get a whole pile of emails saying, please give me access. Instead, we don't want to do that because they've already given you access. Now, there might be the odd exception where this is not the case, but highly unlikely. So what we want to do is we go simply over here to go File, and we can go Download. And if you're going to download it, say to Microsoft Word, you just click on that and it's going to download it. You saw a little download flash up, or maybe you didn't, but now it's downloaded that document, which is awesome. So great, we've got a copy of that document now. Now, what normally also happens is that this is a Google Doc, a docx file in Google Docs here. What it should have is File, Make a Copy, but as we can see, it's grayed out. The reason it's grayed out is simply because you're not logged into a Google account. And let's face it, if you're an entrepreneur and you don't have a Google account, hello, what are you doing? So you need one, right? Because you're going to use it for Google Analytics, Search Console, YouTube, and so much more, and potentially Gmail or Google Workspace. So what you need to do is go into Sign In, go into Sign In, get your account for your Google account, put in your password, and then what we're going to do is we'll now have our Google account in there. So I'm just going to now, we don't need to set up a passkey. Of course, that had to do that. So now we can see that Google is now in here. So I'm just trying to put account up the top. I don't want that in this case. I just want to log into this one thing. So you see now, instead, we've actually got this ability to do things like share, but also if we go here, we can go File, and now we can go Make a Copy, okay? Because if I try and just type into this document, it won't work. So I go File, Make a Copy, and now I just change the name of that document. So I don't want the copy of. What I tend to do as a naming convention, if the person hasn't put something at the end, or they've put something like that at the end, I might just, change that, to something else or whatever. So obviously you can change this however you like. And then you can either just save it into My Drive, click on that and change the folder. Okay. And then we can just go Make a Copy. And now we have got an editable copy of the document. So the original document is still there. The original document we still can't edit. This document here, I still can't go in there and edit anything. But now this one is fully my document. And this is, client can use. See? No issues at all. And no need to request it to be edit access. So I hope that helps you to be able to access your documents that you are shared from us or from other people from Google Drive. Thank you so much.